I request you to share your experience during the workshop that you want to share regarding the way the things they were carried out, the tools, techniques, the methodology. If you want to tell anything about it, but majorly, I want you to share one of your experience which made a tangible change in your life, one, at least one, that of one experience. And please keep a track of the time. We would like that you should cover it in around 1 minutes or 90 seconds at the most, not too large, so that we can give opportunity to each one of you. And you can also share, because you can after that we'll be doing one more small activity. Okay, right? So I will take each one of you one by one. So shall we start with Babita?
Yeah, sir, I'm Babita from Faridabad, and I really feel gratitude for both of you. Um, as in counseling, I was in sorry, I'm in counseling, so I always felt like there is some there. I am very weak in intervention part, but when I joined this NLP, I equip all the techniques and really feel now not only I am able to diagnose the people, I'm able to help them also to remove their problem from the deepest level. And I encounter one of my friends. She is diagnosed, actually I diagnosed her as with borderline personality disorder. She have a lot of belief, irrelevant belief, which earlier I was not able to break. But because of this technique, this meta model, I was able to break 2 or 3 her strong belief, and right now she is feeling very different emotion. As earlier she was always in very negative kind of emotion, in complaining mode, and always telling ki, she is not my mom is not doing this, my father is not doing this. Now she started taking responsibility. So now I really feel I'm able to help the people now. I feel confidence in this.
Great,
Thank you. Yeah.
fantastic. uh, Now I would request Siva.
My name is Siva Lakshman and I'm from Visakhapatnam, Andhra Pradesh. Speaking of this journey, it's been wonderful. One thing, if I want to take away, that is balance. In fact, I started to practice yoga to miss this actually. But NLP, on the other hand, it helped me in another dimension because I'm a kind of a person, an extremist, whether I like black or white, not in between. So it was always challenging for me. But NLP techniques, though I didn't get the opportunity to practice much, but the association, dissociation, every minute it's been a part of my life. I'm witnessing myself every moment, being dissociated, and so that I can take my decisions or I can make my emotions balance. And thank you very much. And the second thing is that, speaking of the course curriculum, it's been structured in such a simple, compact, and powerful. I used to ride a bike, Suzuki Samurai. There is a no problem bike. I mean, be it's in a hill, be it's in a sand, or it's in a road or in traffic, even if it's 100 cc, believe me, it doesn't give you any problem. I'm sure many people have used it, know that. Similarly, this course is so compact and very, very powerful. And the third thing is, besides the NLP, the one thing actually that connected to both of you is more than the course, the energy. The energy you both are carrying, it's very authentic. And, any profession, particularly in this profession, the one quality that's required is to a genuine intention to help people. And that is, I've seen that both of you, and I believe the parampara culture, it's been in Indian tradition, because the source, the authentic source is very important. That's what I believe. When you look at the banyan tree, it's a very, very huge, but once upon a time, it's a very small, very seed. You can hold it with the fingers. But when you is properly nurtured, when you provide the proper taking, when you give the proper care, it's going to transform into a big banyan tree. Similarly, the energy in you, whatever it's been transferred has, I'm sure every one of us, particularly we, are going to transform in the future. Thank you very much.
Thank you,
I know it's been a
Siva.
long, but I couldn't. And I would like to take this opportunity to thank everybody for sharing this virtual classroom. And I would like to thank my friend Reshma for suggesting both of you. Thank you for everything.
Thank you, Siva. Now I'd request Devansh.
Hi, sir. Both of you just made us very comfortable. Your language, it was so simple that we could understand it. We could understand it very well. And speaking of the techniques and all, I have started change. I've started believing in myself. I've changed my beliefs, and I've started enjoying even the small moments of my life. Even if I achieve a small thing today, so because of that, I can achieve more towards my goal. I can go toward more towards my goal. I have started standing up for myself, so that is a big change for myself. So I'm very happy with you guys. Thank you so much.
Thank you, So, Bernadette, I'll just request you.
Sure. Hi, my name is Bernadette. I am a soft skills trainer and now completely completed with NLP. So I'm really happy. Thank you so much, Preetam sir and Vinay sir. So first, most importantly, I would talk about Vinay sir. So when you speak, your words, especially when you ask us to close our eyes and go in this meditation position, I feel it's like sound of music. And when Preetam sir, is doing the same activity, it's like he brings the calmness. So I really appreciate the way you both have done these sessions. In terms of the course material that we've gone through, so I've written some points down. It has made me very conscious of my behavior, the language that I use, and more clarity on my thoughts. So that those are very important, especially how you conduct yourself. No matter what you feel in the beginning, but what you can, you know, at the end of the day, you can bring positive change in yourself using these techniques. So at the beginning, you might feel whatever, like I mentioned, while I was sharing my experience. So I feel that if these techniques are used not just for yourself, but also for others. I mean, I'm mostly tried it for myself, but now I understand if you use it for others, it's going to be even more helpful. And you're giving back to the society in some way by making them feel good about themselves and people around them. So thank you so much.
Thank you, Bernadette. I'll request Mukhraj to share her feedback.
Sir, I'll not take much time because everyone has said all the things that I'm feeling. But and thank you, sir, to you and Pritam sir and all the group making. We have become friends for the lifetime. That's a very good बहुत अच्छी moment है sir for this thing. Sir, overall I would say the changes that I wanted to bring in me, I can see those changes. Today in the last activity I saw, sir, I visualized myself which I've never visualized, और कभी मैंने सोचा भी नहीं था कि I can visualize myself. I'm growing big, feeling very light. I'm growing, like it was such a इतना बड़ा अपने आप को मैं देख रही थी, सर. I'm moving from a very as moving as a successful woman or a lady coming out from some office and feeling very confident, and the feeling I was imagining whatever I have in my mind I will be able to achieve. So that is a very big positive change that have come become in have I'm seeing in myself. And the past memories that I've mentioned in my form also, all gone. I was able to, the when you said please forgive everyone, I have done that. I was not able to have any grudges with any of them, which was affecting my life, my family life, my health and everything. I'm feeling very happy, I'm feeling very light. And thanks to all of you, so especially to you and Vanessa. Thanks a lot, sir.
Thank you, Okaji. One thing is very important, that the moment you start believing that you are what you want,
Yeah, yes, sir.
that very moment the change starts happening in your
Yeah,
life,
yeah.
and you become a part of that whole
Yeah, so
journey.
everyone was saying me for the last few years, नहीं तुम ऐसा सोचो, do like this, भूल जाओ जो हुआ ये हुआ. I was not able to do it, but sir now today when we are visualizing myself, I was able to do it, sir. I'm
Okay.
visualizing in a new totally a new avatar of myself. I can say that. Sir.
That's amazing. That's amazing.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Sujata ji.
Ma'am, you are inaudible.
Hello, am I audible?
Yes, yes.
Yeah, I'm Sujata from Bangalore. I'm very thankful to both of you, sir, because it's going to help me in many ways. I think this course. Mainly, I wanted to improve my counseling skill and all those things. So, I'm going to apply all these learnings, whatever I learned in these 8 days, will be a huge material for me to apply in my career actually. And I think few things I can model you and Preetham sir. I think modeling I can take it. And plus I'm a very well balanced person actually. I don't take it any hard feelings or anything. And I just want to apply this balance thing to even to my clients. That's what I want to do with this NLP. I think I'll be helping many people. I do many voluntary work and I want to apply in my voluntary work this NLP process. And for this, I'm very thankful to both of you, sir.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Radhika.
My name is Radhika. I am an occupational therapist. I'm from Mumbai, and I think I took the right decision by signing up for this course. It's going to make me better. Talking of the change in me, the part where you have to ask questions to yourself to break wrong beliefs. I've always had this belief that I'm not confident, and I can see that change in myself. Like um, in every small thing, I thought that I couldn't do this. I cannot do this. I always had that belief. And whenever anybody used to ask me to do anything, I used to say no, because I always had this feeling that I cannot do it. But from now, or from during this course, I do not remember saying no to anything. I have felt the change in myself. I am being more confident, and I do not remember looking at my goals like I cannot do it. So that is the major change that has taken place in me, in my mindset. And I'm very grateful for that. So thank you.
Wonderful. Thank you so much. Over to.
Saying no to anything. I have felt the change in myself. I am being more confident, and I do not remember looking.
Hello. Yeah. So I would request Srishti.
Hello, I'm Srishti Agrawal and I'm from Surat. Currently, I'm pursuing clinical psychology, and I took up NLP because I think I'd heard that it is one of the best therapies and it has answers to all the problems in the world, and I actually discovered it does. So one of the change that I saw in me was that I actually started believing that I have the power to change anything in me. So my belief system has changed. And for example, if earlier I used to, doubt my decisions or doubt my goals, so that is no more. And I can give an example which recently happened. So I had to apply for colleges, and I was like very worried if I'll get in or no. But then we were doing this course, and you and sir, you taught us about belief system. Whatever belief, it happens. So I started telling myself I'll easily get in, and I'll get a call from the college, and I'll get the admission. And after a couple of days it happened. I got the call, I got the admission. So it's like you are crossing every step easily, and you're just having that milestone. So it gives you that courage to dream more and achieve more. So yeah, it is a very empowering session, and it is a very empowering course to do.
Thank you, Srishti. Uh, uh, Kwaish.
Yes, sir. Hi. My name is Kwahish Agarwal, and I'm from Anand, Gujarat. I am a student studying in 12th standard. I have 4 points. The first is I have known you and Preetham sir for quite some time now, and my regard for your capabilities and your abilities has increased many folds. Like I've known Preetham sir for a lot many years, पर मुझे कोई idea नहीं था कि आप लोग दूसरे लोगों को इस हद तक influence कर सकते हो, जो कि आपने किया है मुझे और काफी सारे लोगों को. The second, the phrase "mind your language," उसका meaning has completely changed for me, because when you say mind your language, it means something completely different to me now. And I came here saying the reason for me joining NLP was that curiosity killed the cat. I was very curious. Now I would rather say that instead of just killing the cat, this curiosity and this learning has given it a better outlook to the rest of its lives. And the last thing, sir, आप हिंदी में ज़्यादा बोला करें. It makes me feel very good for some reason जब आप हिंदी में बोलते हो. It makes me feel very calm. So I'd rather say कि आप हिंदी में ज़्यादा बोला करो. Thank you.
Thank you. So Anu. Please unmute.
I'm sorry. Hi everyone, my name is Anuradha and I'm from Pune. So the reason why I joined NLP, as I needed to be guided to have a better understanding and focus in terms of finding my career goal, since I'm struggling with my career and I've lost my job. So yes, so that was the only reason why I'm here. Coming to the leaders, we often find leaders everywhere. As you know, I've enrolled for many other courses. However, Preetham sir and Vinay sir, I would like to say a thank you and tons of gratitude to both of you, as you both are very grounded. You both are very grounded, and it made us feel very you all made us feel very comfortable, in terms of understanding this study. So that was my, I would like to thank you for that. Apart from that, I would also say that, I used to feel that I'm not confident enough to think about my goals and my perception. But yeah, on a personal note, I could see these changes in me, and I'm very confident that, I'm going to break through uh, whatever the obstacles which I had in my life. Now I'm definitely going to break through that. And yes, on personal note, I would rather say that I'm becoming very much confident, and I can see that changes where I started believing in myself. So that is a tremendous change, and I'm very, very thankful to both of you and for the entire team and the group here. so now we are connected, and yes, we have we are going to have a bond of, a good friendship and learnings from each other. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you so much for sharing all your feedbacks and observations, और ख्वाहिश की रिक्वेस्ट एक्सेप्ट करते हुए मैं कहना चाहूँगा कि इन 8 दिनों में हमें बहुत सारे नए फ्रेंड्स मिले हैं, for me, all of you, and for you, all the other participants. और ये फ्रेंडशिप और ये जो हम लोगों को एक ग्रुप मिला है, ये हमेशा रहने वाला है. दिस विल रिमेन फॉर एवर. सो प्लीज stay connected to each other all the time, and now it has become a family, and you must be feeling, in spite of the fact that we are connected from various locations, but still you must be feeling that now it has become a family. तो ये दोस्ती, ये साथ हमेशा रहना चाहिए. हम फ्रेंडशिप डे के दिन ये सारे सेशन कंक्लूड कर रहे हैं, कितनी अच्छी बात है. इसके अलावा मैं बोलना चाहूँगा, आई कैन सी great human beings in each one of you, and I can tell you the superb qualities about each one of you. When I talk about Babita, she is like so grounded, and मतलब अपनी बात वो इतना अच्छा बोलती हैं, इतना सब कुछ उनके अंदर कैपेबिलिटीज हैं, इतना कुछ कर रही है, उसके बाद भी वो कितना आराम से बोलती हैं कि मेरे अंदर ये कमी है. So accepting the mistakes is so good because it helps you to grow. बट एट द सेम टाइम कभी कभी हमें अपने अंदर एक कॉन्फिडेंस भी बिल्ड करना चाहिए, क्योंकि जब तक हम कंपेयर करते रहेंगे किसी और से, तब तक तो डेफिनेटली हम अपने आप को कहीं ना कहीं कम देखते रहेंगे. लेकिन जब आपका कंपटीशन अपने आप से होगा, तो मेक इट अ पॉइंट टू बी बेटर एवरी डे फ्रॉम द प्रीवियस डे. अगर आपका ये कंपटीशन आप अपने आप से करते रहेंगे, आई कैन गारंटी यू दैट यू विल बी द बेस्ट. यू कैन compare yourself to anyone. Siva, I can say, a great human being, so well connected, very proactive, and very humble. That's the best part. तो आप किस तरीके से सब लोगों के साथ कनेक्टेड रहे, सबको आप जोड़ के रखे इस पूरे सेशंस में. So I'll thank you. देवांश, you were very silent, चुपके सब कुछ देखने वाले. हाँ, अपने कमरे से ज़्यादा बोलने वाले नहीं, लेकिन I hope I can see a very huge change in your personality, in your perceptions, your beliefs, and I believe that you are young. आपकी पूरी जिंदगी अभी आपके सामने है, और आपके सामने एक बहुत ही खूबसूरत भविष्य है. Bernadette, I can see you're so focused, so pinpointed, and I know you have all the qualities to be a wonderful coach and a trainer, and you are still that, like, but you will still keep growing, and I can tell you, आप अपनी सक्सेस स्टोरी लिखने वाले हो बहुत जल्दी, तो आप तैयार हो जाओ उसके लिए. Khwaish, you are fabulous. I know you personally. When I came to your home long back, you were, और हमने आपके टेरेस पे बैठ के पिज्जा खाया है. It's a beautiful place where इनका एक खास बात बताता हूँ ख्वाहिश के. इनके घर में डेली इवनिंग इनके टेरेस के ऊपर एक किचन बना हुआ है, उनकी पूरी फैमिली वहीं पर कुक करती है, और एक और ग्रुप और एक फैमिली और आती हैं, या कभी 2-3 फैमिलीज हो जाती हैं, एंड दे ऑल हैव डिनर टुगेदर. दिस इज समथिंग व्हिच आई कैन नेवर फॉरगेट इन माय लाइफ, so that's something amazing. She has got amazing linguistic skills, and she's extremely focused, and believe me, आपको जो कुछ भी आपको जिंदगी में आपकी ख्वाहिशें हैं ना, वो सारी पूरी हो जाएंगी. ये मेरा सिर्फ आइडिया या ऐसा नहीं है, मेरा विश्वास है. उसका कारण है क्योंकि तुमने जो भी कुछ किया अपने करियर में, जो भी सिलेक्शंस किए, इट्स फाइन, बट अब तुम जो कुछ भी करने वाली हो, बहुत फोकस्ड होके करने वाली हो, और तुम्हारा नाम 100% तुम्हारी जिंदगी का पार्ट बन जाएगा. तुम्हारी ख्वाहिशें हमेशा पूरी होती रहेंगी. अनु, you have been like very interactive. कभी भी कोई चीज चाहिए थी, just called us. So I would request each one of you to be like that. अगर आपको कोई डाउट है, कोई प्रॉब्लम्स है, please stay in touch, ask questions, be interactive, be proactive in the group. ऐसा नहीं है कि कोई हम लोग, मैं या आप व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप में हम कुछ मैसेज डालेंगे तभी वो एक्टिव होना चाहिए. इट इज आवर रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी, ईच वन ऑफ आवर रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी टू कीप दैट ग्रुप अलाइव ऑल द टाइम. शेयरिंग, मैंने बोला ना कि इट हैज बिकम अ फैमिली. इट्स, हाँ, हमारे प्रोग्राम का एक सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट पार्ट जो मैं बोलना चाहूंगा वो ये है, it's not just that okay, you are a participant and I am a coach and we will be there for 8 days and you will forget and you will forget. No, that's not our way of working. What we believe is in a permanent relationship, a long term relationship with each of the participants. And believe me, आज तक हमने जहां पे भी जिनके साथ भी personally या online courses किए हैं, they are all in touch with us all the time. They keep sharing how they can achieve big things in life और कैसे उनकी जिंदगी बदलती चली गई उसके बाद. अपने एक्सपीरियंसेस आप शेयर करते रहिए, और वो तभी होगा जब आप अपने गोल्स को बहुत क्लियरली और प्रिसाइसली लिख लोगे, और वो जब अचीव हो जाएंगे तो आपको पता चलेगा हाँ अचीव हो गए. तो आप उन सब चीजों को भी कंटिन्यूअसली शेयर करते रहिएगा. Sujata, as I said, she is very composed and she herself said she is very grounded. I feel the same. उन्होंने, वो बहुत कम क्वेश्चन करती हैं लेकिन वो बहुत ज़्यादा अपने चीज़ों को बहुत ज़्यादा माइन्यूटली ऑब्जर्व करती हैं. शी टेक्स अ लॉट. सो बिलीव कि आपके करियर के अंदर तो इसका फ़ायदा होगा, बट आई वुड से वन थिंग दैट द चेंज स्टार्ट्स फ्रॉम यू, एंड द फर्स्ट बेनिफिशियरी ऑफ दिस शुड बी you yourself, and it's going to start with you now. तो हम लोग हमारी लाइफ में जब इसका यूज करना शुरू करेंगे, और मैं आपको एक चीज और कहना चाहूंगा कि NLP कोई कोर्स नहीं है, ये कोई मॉड्यूल नहीं है कि हमने एक कोर्स कर लिया, एक सर्टिफिकेट ले लिया. मैं कहूँगा इट इज अ वे हाउ यू हैव टू लिव योर लाइफ. It teaches you how you have to live your life, how you have to use your language, how you have to keep programming your mind, and it's a continuous process, believe me. आपको हर रोज अपने आप को अपने गोल्स को आइडेंटिफाई करना पड़ेगा, अपनी वीकनेसेस को आइडेंटिफाई करना पड़ेगा, अपनी स्ट्रेंथ्स को आइडेंटिफाई करना पड़ेगा, पॉइंट्स ऑफ इम्प्रूवमेंट्स आपको कंटिन्यूअसली लिखते रहने पड़ेंगे, और उस लिस्ट को हमेशा आप कंटिन्यूस अपडेट करते रहोगे. और जहां पर भी आपकी लाइफ में, मैंने जैसा कहा कि 2 चीजों को अपनी जिंदगी में कभी मत रहने देना, एक स्ट्रेस और एक स्ट्रेस का कारण. तो अगर आप स्ट्रेस के कारण को खत्म कर दोगे, इफ यू जस्ट आइडेंटिफाई व्हाट इज द रूट कॉज ऑफ माय स्ट्रेस एंड व्हाई आई एम इन स्ट्रेस, देन आइडेंटिफाई द रीजन, रिमूव इट फ्रॉम योर लाइफ, एंड यू हैव ऑल द टूल्स नाउ. अगर आपकी लाइफ में पैसे से रिलेटेड कोई प्रॉब्लम है तो आप उसके लिए मैनिफेस्ट कीजिए, यू विल हैव दैट इन योर लाइफ. अगर आपके साथ जॉब से, करियर से रिलेटेड, हेल्थ से रिलेटेड, रिलेशनशिप से रिलेटेड कुछ भी इशू है, आप अपनी जिंदगी को अपने मेन्यू कार्ड की तरह यूज करते हुए जैसा अपनी जिंदगी को बनाना चाहते हो वैसा बनाने के लिए अब आपके पास टूल्स हैं. अब आप ये नहीं कह सकते कि मुझे अपॉर्चुनिटी नहीं मिली, आप ये नहीं कह सकते कि मेरे पास ऐसे कोई ऑप्शंस नहीं थे कि मैं उसको ठीक कैसे करूं. इसलिए अब आपके पास वो दोनों चीजें हैं, टूल्स भी हैं, टेक्निक्स भी हैं, और आपको ये भी मालूम है कि चेंज क्या करना है. तो लेट इट बी अ कंटिन्यूअस प्रोसेस ऑफ योर लाइफ, and that change should continue because change is the only thing which is permanent. और आप देखोगे कि आप किस तरीके से नई नई ऊंचाइयों को छूते जाओगे. सृष्टि, शी इज बहुत साइकोलॉजी में जुड़ी हुई है, और हम ज्यादातर अपना कैमरा बंद रखती थी, पता नहीं क्या सोचती थी, बट शी इज एन एक्सट्रीमली, शी हैज गॉट अ वंडरफुल स्माइल. बहुत अच्छे से अपनी बातों को पुट अप करती हैं, और आपने अपने गोल्स के बारे में लिखा. आई होप, जैसा मैंने आपको शुरू में ही कहा था, कि हम लोग कोशिश ये करते हैं कि आपने अपने फॉर्म्स के अंदर जो भी आपके गोल्स, लिमिटेशंस, मेंटल ब्लॉक्स, फियर्स, फोबियास जो भी मेंशन किए हैं, वो बाय द एंड ऑफ द प्रोग्राम आप उन सभी को जान जाओगे कि उनमें से कौन से प्रॉब्लम्स एक्चुअल प्रॉब्लम्स थे और कौन से सिर्फ हमारे क्रिएट किए हुए थे. और आपको ये एहसास हो गया होगा कि 50% प्रॉब्लम्स तो हमारी अपनी क्रिएट की हुई थी, जिसको सिर्फ सही तरीके से समझने से ही वो हमारी जिंदगी से गायब हो गए. बाकी जो बची हुई प्रॉब्लम थी, अब उनके लिए हमारे पास टूल्स हैं, टेक्निक्स हैं, कोचेस हैं, मेंटोर्स हैं, फ्रेंड्स हैं, प्रैक्टिशनर्स हैं, जो हमें कंटिन्यूअसली हेल्प कर सकते हैं. अगर कोई छोटी मोटी प्रॉब्लम है, यू वांट समबडी सपोर्ट, जस्ट फियरलेसली, बिना किसी हेजिटेशन के उसको कॉल करो, व्हाट्सएप मैसेज करो, आई वांट टू हैव अ सिटिंग विद यू, प्लीज हेल्प मी डू दिस, ओके। तो आप एक दूसरे को इस तरीके से हेल्प करते रहो। एंड अगर कोई आपको ऐसा लगता है कि मैं ये अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ नहीं शेयर कर सकती, आई वांट द हेल्प फ्रॉम द मेंटोर्स, सो मैंने जैसा कहा कि हमारा ये मेंटोरिंग प्रोसेस कंटिन्यूस चलता है। आपको जहाँ पर भी कोई भी चैलेंजेस आते हैं, टेक्निक्स को समझने में, टूल्स को समझने में, लाइफ के चैलेंजेस को समझने में, किसी को हेल्प करने में, या अगर आप कोई किसी को हेल्प कर रहे हो और आपको ये नहीं समझ में आ रहा कि कैसे, कौन सा टेक्निक यूज करना है, किस तरीके से यूज करना है, यू कैन टेक, बिकॉज इट्स गुड कि आप सही टेक्निक को सही तरीके से यूज करो, वो बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है, अगर आप गलती ना करो, है ना। और मैं ये बात पूरे विश्वास के साथ कह सकता हूँ कि जो चीज हमने कई 3-4 साल में सीखी है, वो आपने इन 8 दिनों में सीखी है। और मैं ये पूरे विश्वास के साथ इसलिए कह रहा हूँ क्योंकि मुझे मालूम है कि लर्निंग किस लेवल पर जाकर हो रही है। राधिका अगेन इज अ वेरी साइलेंट ऑब्जर्वर, बहुत मतलब शी हैड बीन, बहुत कम बोली है, ज्यादा बातें नहीं करती थी, लेकिन बहुत लर्निंग को एक अलग तरीके से, एक अलग एंगल से उन चीज़ों को समझने की कोशिश करती थी। एंड शी इज अ, बोथ ऑफ देम, सृष्टि एंड राधिका, दे आर स्टूडेंट्स, लाइक अभी वो करियर को भी स्टार्टिंग कर रहे हैं, तो आई विश देम ऑल द बेस्ट। एंड पुखराज जी इज इन टू स्कूल, कई बार वो दूसरों को हेल्प करती हैं, हमेशा चाहती हैं लोगों को हेल्प करना, और उस हेल्प करने के प्रोसेस में NLP विल बी अ ग्रेट हेल्प टू यू। So with this, I would say have a blissful life. You have all the tools, capabilities, resources, and techniques with you to take your life to the next level. Rather, take your life to the level where you want to know, where you want to reach. और आपको मालूम है कि कितना कंप्लीटनेस के साथ अपने गोल को समझना है, और यूनिवर्स बहुत इंटेलिजेंट है, तो हमारी चीज़ों को बहुत ही ज़्यादा माइन्यूटली समझ के, और उसको just believe that it's a part of your life, it's happening in your life, and just see how your thoughts will convert into material, और वो आपकी जिंदगी में इवेंट्स के फॉर्म में, रिसोर्सेज के फॉर्म में, लोगों के फॉर्म में आपकी लाइफ में अपने आप कनेक्ट होने लग जाएंगे। आपको सिर्फ ये समझना है, ये सोचना है कि आपको चाहिए क्या, वो आपको कैसे मिलेगा ये आपका काम नहीं है। लेट समथिंग बी इन द हैंड्स ऑफ द यूनिवर्स ऑल्सो। तो अपनी सारी जिम्मेदारी अपने हाथ में मत लो, लेकिन ख्वाहिशों की उड़ानों को तो रोको मत। अपनी ख्वाहिशों को अपनी किसी बाउंड्री के हिसाब से मत खींचो कि ये मैं ऐसा हूँ इसलिए ये कर सकता हूँ, ये नहीं कर सकता हूँ। एक बार अपनी हिम्मत से पूरा एफर्ट करके एक बार पत्थर उछालो तो देखो फिर आप कि आकाश में छेद होता है ना। तो आप ये अपनी वो पुरानी जितनी भी वो सब था, वो पास्ट था, नाउ इट इज नॉट योर फ्यूचर। सो फ्रॉम द प्रेजेंट यू हैव ऑल दैट न्यू कैपेबिलिटीज विद यू। सो थैंक यू सो मच, कीप शेयरिंग आइडियाज। एंड मैं इसके साथ एक गाने के साथ एक छोटा सा गाना चला रहा हूँ, एंड जस्ट वी विल be saying goodbye to each one of us, okay, and we'll be calling it a day. Thank you so much and goodbye. Have a good night.
Sir, I have one small request before leaving. Maybe last request.
Yes.
May I ask, sir?
Yeah.
Yeah, today this thought came into my mind. Maybe after 6 months, just for a short session, what if we could arrange a get together just to know what we are up to in the life, how we're using this NLP, and how it's transformed just for 1 hour session, maybe after 6 months. It's just a thought. I don't know whether it's a possible or not.
It's not just a thought. As I said, every thought becomes reality. We will
Yes.
not do it every 6 months. We will do it every 3 months. And I leave this responsibility onto you to arrange this through the WhatsApp group. Please send the messages, decide the day and time, and we'll be there.
Oh, thank you so much for accepting my request. Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
Thank
Sir,
you.
what,
Yeah,
so,
yeah, please.
Pritam sir was talking about some cards, sir, that success
Yes,
cards.
yes. There are, we have, through our research, we have created some cards. There are a bunch of cards which has got list of manifestations, and there are cards on law of attraction, and there's another card on there are 3-4 sets of cards. I'll share the pics with you and the details in the WhatsApp group. And there is one more pen drive also, which is having the manifestations, recordings, and lot of material. So generally वो जो physical workshop होते हैं तो वहाँ तो हमारे पास available होता है. यहाँ पर I'll be sharing in the WhatsApp group, and whatever you wanna take, you can just tell us. We'll send it to you. So I'll share all the merchandise with you. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you
very
and
much, sir.
good
Thank
night.
you very
and
much.
bye.
Sir,
Good night.
thank
Good
you.
night, sir. Good night.
Thank you.
Thanks, everybody. Yeah.
Thank you. Thank you.
Bye,
All of
everyone.
you.
Bye, everybody.
Bye.
Bye. All the best. All the best, everybody.